Today I'm going to read to you a poem that me and my friend Daphne made. It's called The Door, Snore, Snore. In the news, no one was amused. It was about a door, so it was a bore. They said, this door is so amazing because it can squeak. In this news report, shall we have a peek? In fact, this door was not ordinary, it was extraordinary. This door could deliver posts where the letters would boast. This door's doorknob was bigger than any other. With the other doors, the builders didn't bother. This door was so small that it couldn't fit balls. That's all they said. So now I can go to bed. By Eva and Daphne. Bye bye. Merry Christmas, everyone.